It's time to make our painted dots. So at this point, you've looked over all the options that you could choose from. You could make painted dots, you could make marker dots, sticker dots, or freestyle, which is a combination of any of those that you like. So if you're trying to decide, think about it this way. Do you have paint at your house? If you don't have paint, probably don't choose the paint dot option. But if you do have markers or stickers, you could do either of those or combine them. It's really what you choose. If you really want to impress me, you can even figure out how to make dots that I didn't even say. So I can't wait to see what you guys create. All right, so let's talk about painted dots. And when I say painted dots, I really mean printed dots. So I just got a little tray. You could get a paper plate or something like that. And I poured 3 different colors, red, orange, and yellow. Yep, those are my warm colors. So I don't want them to combine with each other. I want them in 3 separate piles. And I've also gone and gotten a cork, a bottle cap, and a pencil with a pink eraser on the end. And I'm going to show you how to use all 3 of these things to create dots. This is one example of my dot paper, and I want you to notice that the color of the paper is what color family? Yeah, it's cool. This paper is blue, so it's a cool color. So all of my dots are, yep, they are warm. So whenever you're making this, you have to kind of do opposite. So if you used red paper, yep, you guessed it, you would put cool color dots on this. So I'll show you other options in other videos, but for now, let's use cool color paper, which could be blue, purple, or green to make warm colored dots. So I'm going to just use blue today because I think it serves as a nice background for my dots. All right, let's start with a cork. And remember, when I'm showing you these things, you can choose or you can use all 3 of these materials to make your dots or just one. It's really your choice. All right, I'm going to take my cork and sending it down vertically. I'm going to just dip it in the paint. I don't want to spread it around and get it mixed in my other paint. It's just dipped enough like that. And then starting anywhere on my paper, I'm going to print little dots. And just like magic, they start appearing. Once your paint starts to run out, you'll see some of the blue paper coming through, and you want to dip it a second time. I'm going to use orange all over the paper, but not cover my entire paper with just orange because I want to show some of my other warm colors. If you ever get a dot that looks like that, just go back on top of it and then you'll be good. All right, you could clean your cork, or if you have other ones, you could use those too. All right, let's use my bottle cap. This one already has some paint on it, so I'm just going to print it. And it actually makes some really cool dots. I like how this bottle cap is a little bit bigger too, so that I get different sizes of dots. And I could do this for days. It's so much fun. All right, looks like I'm running out of room, so now I'm going to switch over to yellow. And for yellow, I'm going to use my pencil eraser. This will make the tiniest dots that I have. Now, would I use blue dots on this paper? No, I can't use blue dots on the paper because my paper is already blue, and I have to use the opposite of whatever my background color is as far as color families go. All right, so that is our example for painted dots. Let's talk about our other options in our next video.